Hi, fourth grade. So today is Monday, which means we are starting a new unit for math, and we are going to be looking at interpreting data sets. So today we always start a new unit taking a pretest. So you're going to take your pretest and just try as best as you can throughout the pretest. So you're going to click on the link. Once it opens up, make sure you put your first, your last name. I can statements, or I can use tables, bar graphs, timelines, and Venn diagrams to display certain data. You're going to be able to understand that tables and graphs can be used to display data. So you're going to go through and you'll notice that there are going to be different types of graphs and tables that you'll need to answer questions from. So a main thing I want you to remember is make sure you read the directions. It tells you specifically what questions go with what picture. So just make sure that you're really paying attention to that. So for instance, this first one says use the bar graph below to answer questions 1 and 2. So you're only looking at questions 1 and 2. For instance, number 3, this one says, which bar graph shows the same data as the table below? So you're going to be looking at this table, and then you need to pick which bar graph, either 1 or 2, would match this one. Now, a trick that I know a lot of you already do is you can do the pinch motion, or you put your fingers together on your keypad or your Chromebook, and you move it out so it'll make it bigger, just like I'm showing you right now, because a lot of these are super tiny and there's just nothing that we could do about it. So if you need to look closer at the bar graphs and scroll up and see which one matches, then I highly suggest to do that because they are really tiny. And then there's obviously the option of I don't know, which that's okay. If you don't know, you don't know. So you're just trying your best. It's just for us to see what are some skills that you already have in your back pocket and what is going to be new for you. For instance, this question, it says use this graph. So you're using this table to answer the questions 4 through 8. So there's 4 questions based only on this table of when all these states became a state, their area, and their population. So you're going to answer questions 4 through 8 on that table. Question 9, again, you're looking at these timelines. So a student creates a timeline for a history project, which shows a correct timeline. So again, these are super, super, super tiny. So do that motion, make them a lot bigger, so you can really look and see what timelines would make sense. Okay, and then pick that appropriate answer. And again, I don't know is an option. Here we have a pictograph. So that's when they use pictures of things to create a graph. So this is certain basketball teams and how many slam dunks that they made, and each basketball is 5 slam. So it represents 5 of them. So you're going to answer questions 10 and 11 based on that pictograph. And then we've seen Venn diagrams a lot. We've used them a lot in reading strategies, but we haven't used them a lot for math. So you're going to be answering these Venn diagram questions for 12 and 13 based on cherries and blueberries. And then you have a smaller Venn diagram here with sailing versus tennis. You're going to be answering questions 14, 15, and 16. Try your best, go slow, make sure that you click submit, and I can't wait to see how you do. All right, good luck.